Hello, I am Arne Michael, President of German Standard. Our stone plastic composite, SPC, consists of very high percentage of limestone, 70%, only 25% PVC, plastic, and 5% wear layer. It is 100% waterproof and extremely scratch resistant. And let me show you and give you the proof. Laminate flooring core board is made out of wood fibers mixed with glue and pressed together. When you put it into water for 24 hours, let's see what happens. So this piece here, we have immersed in water for 24 hours, and let's see how it compares to a product which was not in water. Now you can see that laminate flooring, after being in water for 24 hours, has expanded significantly. As you see, there's a huge height difference. So laminate flooring is not suitable for tropical climate, especially if you have water damage in your home. Now let's see what happens to stone plastic composite, SPC, when you put it into water for 24 hours. As you can see, there's no height difference, proving to you that our German standard SPC is 100% waterproof. Our German standard SPC stone plastic composite flooring is extremely wear, scratch and impact resistant. So let me show you. Go into my pocket, pull out my office key, it's very sharp. And I scratch across the surface. No damage whatsoever. So actually, SPC flooring can withstand impact from high heel shoes, but also claws from your dogs, from your cats. So any kind of domestic animals will not affect the floor, so you're safe. If you'd like to know more about SPC flooring, you can find more information on our German Standard Facebook fan page or inbox us. We are very much looking forward to help and service you.